How to DCA or dollar cost averaging on Binance. So the first method is to manually do dollar cost averaging, and you can do that by depositing funds into your spot wallet by clicking on the add funds button here. Select your currency from the top right, and then you want to click on deposit. And once you deposit funds into your wallet, you can basically buy at fixed amount any crypto you want at regular intervals. So, for example, you can buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every Monday, which means you're getting $100 worth of Bitcoin weekly, or you can buy 1,000 worth monthly, depending on what frequency you want. And all you need to do is repeat it consistently, regardless of the market price. And this reduces the timing risk, but doesn't actually eliminate the market risk. So just keep that in mind. And the second way to do it is using the auto invest method, which you can access it by pressing in the search bar here and look for auto invest. Type it in the search. And in the auto invest window, you want to select the crypto. You can also click on the drop down at the top to select a pair, for example, Bitcoin and USDT. And now you can select a frequency at which to buy or invest each time. So for example, you can use daily, weekly, or monthly and enter the amount to invest each time and then just confirm. And Binance will automatically buy the asset at the selected intervals. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.